Right, so little Stihl FS36, 2003, almost vintage now I suppose. Anyway, we're going to take we took the clutch cover off and the shaft off the last time. We're going to take the clutch drum off, the clutch off, the recoil assembly off, and we'll probably go ahead and just take the carburetor off as well. We'll see what we like for time after that. So first things first, you're going to stop the piston. So we'll get this spark plug out. I'm just using a little vinyl piston stop here. Rope or whatever does just the same. It's just easier with this for me anyway. So clutch drum, I think it is a T27 inside there, but my T27 is too fat, so we'll go with a T25. There is a little screw inside there, and it is an anti-clockwise thread, a normal thread. Get that off. There is play in that already, but that's the way it's supposed to be. So we'll just take this little screw out. Clutch drum off. You can see the little screw, well, you might can see the little screw in there. It's fixed. God knows how they got it in there, but that's not for me to argue. So clutch drum off. Same with the clutch, it is a normal thread, anti-clockwise. I'll use a big pair of grips here. Be careful not to damage the springs if you're keeping it. Again, we'll just twist that. There we go. Clutch. It's actually a pretty decent clutch. Back washer. Recoil assembly. There we go. Straightforward enough. We'll get to the flywheel and everything else later. So spin it round and take the carburetor out. Choke switch here, take that off. Filter, seen worse. So you've got two screws in here, that is the actual carburetor screws, and you've got 4 on the housing there. They are T27s. Just loosen these with a manual just in case they're stuck. Last thing you need is to break one, so just take it easy. There we go. Cover off, carburetor's loose. Could do with a nice, oh, fuel pipes are solid. guessing that could have been the issue. WT Walbro carburetor. We have a look inside that later. So that's it. This pipe's not too bad. This one is solid and it was loose on the carburetor, so quite easily could be soaking air. So there we go. Cheers.